Rule 1. An adjective describes the person or thing, etc., which a noun refers to. We use adjectives to say what a person, etc., is like or seems like. Use adjectives before nouns or after verbs alone. Rule 2. Adjectives can give us information about quality, size, age, condition, shape, color, temperature, origin, time, quantity. Use adjectives before nouns or alone after verbs.
A poor man.
He's a poor man.
A rich man.
He's a rich man.
A large country.
Russia is a large country.
A small country.
Kuwait is a small country.
A new car.
It's a new car.
An old car.
It's an old car.
Dead.
It's dead.
Alive.
It's alive.
A pentagon window.
It's a pentagon window.
2 hexagon windows.
They're hexagon windows.
A brown pyramid.
It's a brown pyramid.
A white bus.
It's a white bus.
Hot water.
It's hot water.
Cold water.
It's cold water.
Indian actors.
They're Indian actors.
An American actor.
He's an American actor.
A few ants.
There are a few ants.
A lot of ants.
There are a lot of ants.
An ancient building.
It's an ancient building.
A modern building.
It's a modern building.
A little water.
It's a little water.
A lot of water.
It's a lot of water.